Today we will tour 3033 North 37th Street, Unit 1 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Welcome to this spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in a prime Phoenix location. It features an open floor plan and a functional kitchen, equipped with upgraded countertops, ample cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. There is also an internal laundry with a washer and dryer for added convenience. The living area is beautifully highlighted by plank flooring and a tiled fireplace. Conveniently located near Thomas and North 37th Street, this property offers easy access to local dining, shopping, and major highways. Both primary bedrooms include ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets for added privacy and storage. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Other features of this condo include a low-maintenance patio, ideal for outdoor relaxation. Thanks for watching the tour and have a wonderful day.